Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of how to train a chatbot. As you can see, I have already logged into AmplifyReach Catalyst Platform Bot Studio. I am into my conversations. If you don't have an AmplifyReach account, just go to amplifyreach.com and register your account today. We don't need any credit card for registration. Now, in the last video, we saw that how AmplifyReach Catalyst Platform is different from a keyword-based system where AmplifyReach, the natural language understanding layer, is able to extract meaningful information from an English statement. So here what we have is an intent which has a single training data set which is nothing but I want soft copy. As seen in the last video, want is nothing but an action. That action which is getting performed on an object is nothing but the soft copy. Okay. So here this is a conversation node which is of type intent, and we have just added this intent out here. To launch your tryout window, just click on tryout now. I have already launched it out here. So now let's try our training example. I want soft copy. Okay. So it's able to understand that I'm looking for a soft copy. Now let's try something like I don't want soft copy. Now interestingly, AmplifyReach Catalyst Platform, as it is not a keyword based system, it's able to distinguish between I want soft copy and I don't want soft copy, where I want soft copy was identified as an intent, while I don't want soft copy is not identified as an intent, because we have not trained the system to handle this particular situation. Now what I can do is now I can try a different action instead of want. Okay, so if you remember, I have trained the system for I want soft copy. Now let me try I need soft copy, and instead of writing copy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the O and make a spelling mistake out here. Okay, so in this case the system has first corrected my typo and has asked me saying that did you mean I need soft copy. If I say yes, it's going to use that particular thing to identify the intent, and yeah, it has been able to identify the intent. Now let's try one more example, like I would like soft copy. Okay, so here what we're doing is I would like is nothing but an action over the object, and yes, it's able to identify, and it's asking me if there's something else that it can help me with. Okay, so in the next video what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at adding in another example where the object may be identified in a different way and action may be identified in a different way, and then we are going to see how the system extrapolates the both. To stay tuned on what's coming on next on AmplifyReach, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.